Bonjour tout le monde! My name's Anne and I'm the owner and founder of Lingobox Learning. Come with me to explore our new Lingobox French primary program. You'll now find all your favourite Lingobox songs, games, videos and activities organised into full year and lesson plans. Each year is carefully planned with 20 lessons per stage and 12 clear learning outcomes that you'll cover over the course of the year. This gives you complete clarity in the curriculum so you and your class always know why you're learning and what you're learning. Our Click and Teach lessons are ready to go with songs, active learn videos, games and activities all built in. All you need to do is timetable the learning and follow the programme. And our progressive, informative trackers and planners are designed to be easy to use, engaging and motivating for the children, giving you all the tools you need to plan, assess and evidence learning without the overwhelm. The first 2 years of the programme are available and ready to teach, with more coming soon. And if you'd like to try for yourself, then start your free trial today or contact us to reactivate a previous trial. We can't wait for you and your learners to see what's new, and children love learning languages with Lingobox. Merci beaucoup, au revoir.